Hi everyone, Ben here from Full Scope Freelancer. We've got a great update for you this week, and it has to do with your calendar tools. It used to be that when you created a calendar, you could only add one option for the meeting location. So you had to choose, is this meeting taking place at a physical location? Is it taking place over Zoom or through Google Meet or through a custom link or a custom location of some kind? Now you can add multiple locations, and you can let your customers decide where and how they want to meet with you. So let's take a look. In this calendar down here, I've got a test calendar I've just created really quickly. If we open it up to edit it and we scroll down to the meeting details, you can see here I have at the moment just a custom location. Let's just say, for example, they can either call me and it's going to autofill your location, or rather your business's phone number here. And now I have this option down below to add a location. And now you can add a new location. Let's just say, hey, you can either call, you could meet me over Zoom, or I can add the address, you can come by. And if I save this, and then we head over to open up this calendar and take a look at the links. If I click preview here, then now if I select just any random day and time, blah, 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 you can see now here I have select preferred location. And now the client can choose, again, to either call in this instance or to come by the physical location of the business. And of course, if you have other options like Zoom, Google Meet, or some custom meeting location, you can add all of them here. You can let your clients decide, and you can, of course, offer different options that are good for you and your business as well. So now you have the option, again, to add multiple meeting locations to your calendars. This is really great, just more flexibility for you, more flexibility for your clients. I hope you enjoyed this update to our software, and I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions or need to reach out to us for any reason, you could contact us through the support portal, and we look forward to seeing you in the next update video.